Alright, so today we're going to be looking again at the Craftsman Die-Hard lawn tractor here, and I did have a question from one of my subscribers about this knob that's in the lower left side here, and that is to adjust the height of the deck. And let me demonstrate. If we come over to this side where the lever is for making the deck go up and down, a lot of times there are individual notches right here, so you can, adjust the height there, but you'll notice that there's only one notch, and but it'll stop right there. And the reason it'll stop right there for now is because if you go back on this side where we started, there's a gauge right here. And how we adjust the height of the deck, if we want the deck lower, what we want to do is turn this knob counterclockwise, and then if we lower the lever, see, it goes further down than it did before. Once again, let's go back to this side, and you'll see that little red needle is at about 3, or right between the 2 and the 3. And to raise the deck, alright, we can't do it when there's pressure on it. Let me raise this up again. Alright, turn this clockwise to go up, lower the lever, and there, now we're between like 3 and 4. So basically you can adjust this lever anywhere you want to get the deck to be the height that you want. So there's infinite settings, and that is the purpose of the knob on the left. So if that helped you out, I'm happy to help. Thanks much.